the song, Venda is 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 the song.
Welcome back to the biggest podcast Limpopo.
Yeah, we back again. It is what it is. Duka ndiswana ni mwana wa mahungoni. Chocho dziko dzibona.
Zweriwa ngakordera lokishini, ngakordera mayani, ngakordera. Hey, andole address ile ponko.
Simafungulo dina. Mafungane na wanori. Na watu bane bafika ri watu bane bakamsiba baba favor kana bane bauri babatebiri babo. Abungoto ambwanga habo. Kobona. Na andureni ngoti uri nanga zina zimwe dzi comment nanga ri ntwa madzala mwe muimbi kana nga passing kana madzala mwe muthu ningoro zvifuku zikoropira kana kuna zimwe zvinongoto za muziyamba always kuna mafungo on the develop hey ninga siri chwamba nga hayi ngori ya muvenga mara nachamba zvukuya zvawe abavuyi futhi badabamba uri bola muthu hey ri koni bona ningo poster hayi mini no what time sakho une yabori comes number something zine ena wanori but the room to udlo komboza kuti page zifanele interview na Android beat una bathu banji bamwe abango bafara zwa kuti ngo Android vele na amba naye you need to touch the part of the beef in abana
yeah
come on so unati bana ngori
and ngasibe media arali media hone restricted
unazipida
uchite uri ufushe vane ufuna ufusha vone chichipinga media una side dzine dzito dzumburuliwa
chite uri na qualification
so yeah zistrete dzine
one sa kwambo za qualification
so zistrete dzine dziko waniwa kana dziko sendiwa kana riko sendero vathu vane vakori upi vari chuwise
nah imadi matoko yeah we've seen like today when we were coming to shoot
yeah
the guy was saying no unawata kukudzisa
no kukudzisa ri avana vagai
wanara guy I mean yeah man
mara do you think vathu vanji ava understand media
as people understand the media but they're entitled uri that person you know when they feel like that person is untouchable, that person cannot be reached, that person should not be spoken about. Doesn't already have there and I'm going to Guadama. I can remember Jerome Smaka one there and they were fully. Bring that one for those people. So they doesn't know what to worship another person. To that extent, is naturally I'm entitled to protect and say things, even if the person is wrong. Kai wanoro mutu right.
So media bana media.
Oh.
Is media.
Abana bangono definira bozo kujwa ko dinamzera. So chumba chinanzo. Nanzi.
Sundami.
Ndikhamba ona bathu bane bangwe batobona zori ndinemo ambao ndimengela ambao. Basa koto feel ori ndike bona ndona mengeli so bakwazi. So there's different people.
Mara smozori mulwane ndiye nopengisa mtoko.
Ade your point.
Niko pengisiwa ne bathu.
Ndiko pengisa. Thora order anachililo. Ra address achililo chawe.
Hayi ningo.
Dzi WhatsApp chat zawe. Ro dzivona dzi WhatsApp chat adzione. Ako di communicate na that guy. The guy abori akodori amu.
And we also zvaita zvone after zoriliza muzika zveamba rudoriliza muzika wamathora ndikwambori zvishumbedza uri this guy is a big guy, is willing to
even though vanambiti
yeah he's willing to do what he was supposed to do. So it's a good thing, we commend you for that.
Big up because one thing you understand is already once if you're doing a business na moment, if the contract ends or you terminate the contract, what is the person's ownership must return back home.
Yes.
Ndichone dzitiyo uya murawo ngori arali mushumo nisi record label nditiona nana ni customer ne nyama ndo murengi na murengisero kana rakoshumisa zvambo rasa shuma rot somisana zvine zvava zvamu zvitoviya murao kobona
azoviya murao
azvingote uri nendisare nazvo kana ndidzure nazvo nditozvibuyisa murao and rasadza issue yematora yori mini ukambori 3 years yote vasakuwana dzirati dzakana mina pesi vavachikotoponela video yako amovi akudhirengera zvithu aronova nana mateki awela neambara ndiyawena
Thora ndi muthu ane friji haipichiri sikavhura friji aita kutotona paloni manwa atolarumamu nobona kota ela ya last number Thora usikaita midhini ya vathu Thora hapfi maziro
adenza mumachips
Thora mazina kupedza grovero dzamudhini
anokuita zvone
ila inozana bhega bhega atomatozifraya Thora zvakura zvone asi zvone magrosari yavanhu
this just means uri ndomojedera dzirwalties iti yakobhadhara zvidiwa zvamuza nobona tv dzavantu
midhini
nofora dziremote
isimazo remote DSTV Thora ndivaipedza ngori achosvika mudhini yavatosvika aputedza mara izvo ndiyezo vana we are getting threatened for things we don't know but zoraro ndimidhi itoraro
and you know one thing ndikwambori maybe you can't get angry ashinza emotions was men achibobringa in azobo black pearl we didn't even want to know about black pearl zvinyimbo zva black pearl and bringing all these other artists and then calling them names like disrespect them the way they did but I guess over anambito achokwatra the truth in the ori romfonera but if into at the amba na rena rikongodza muyani you don't really have to call let the person talk and if you want to come he can come but I know for a fact he wasn't going to come because nenaye we have never ever been good books
and nazo ndiyazifa vathu vanji vachiri why nanesingombidza ndadziyambera it was going to be a debate muledza washingaye vathuni ngongwana ngori mwadomba chimwe mwari
zvatorwana
ngongwana
so this guy akodiyamba avidzamwe ngalemwedzini aiva mutakuchera vamurwa wachodzura pasi so the guy I know for a fact namusi uchifio check down some of my YouTubes ela yava yadzi-videos adzi-performance adzi-artist vava mumwe wavathu venda vava vakocelebrata adimwana nazvi-status namina kudimwana uri nomuita zvone adimchitunga corporate namina so ndi muthu ane to be honest people that follows my Facebook or follow
so inina nantu
atina taidzo naye he just like to tell people the way ine he sees uri I'm so bad when it comes to this whole thing ati divi chitu that's why maybe wambotina qualification is a YouTube so it's been something na bomb na pride adiyamba zoyamba nenge studio so it's someone that had already had issues with me for years. It's not something new. That's why no one comes to feel they take one down the podcast YouTube channel and I don't know but it's not something new. We don't want any involved vandava in any avanayo why Thora or the ambas only true. I'm part of it. Come on. So I don't think if Nea was not even on the channel, he was gonna say. So he has issues with me. He has posted a lot of things on Facebook, commented on my statuses, whatever negative things, how copyright, how what. Like he knows Uri. Nature shoot as the event for the past 10-15 years when I was working with different artists. What was the agreement? Come on. Me traveling, Michiavo, Pitori, Limpopo, Guy, Voice Trend, Val, and then I was doing all those videos for different hip hop shows. Now the Kwaito shows. I mean, like my last Kwaito show that I shot was a week before Leo Matosa passed away, which was like you had your TKZ, Leo Matosa, and like I can name them in Newtown. So I'll go and shoot those events, and those events is because I was shooting them because I was invited to do this. And I will shoot razishare, raziposter, because remember back in the days, social media, YouTube and stuff was not this big that everybody now can do it. So people could get access to those content. It was a promotional content.
So in a nutshell, in a hey company kana na hechi chimiswa kana na hoyo mutu ndikare na kare na zi grudges.
Now he just came out of the blue. I don't know what was happening around that time. I think what introducer kwamba the copyright. What. Then I felt like, you know what, I don't really want to entertain him. Because even when the time when Prefix took down some of his performance videos from the channel, and I was like, Prefix, I'm talking. He came and talked about copyright. He always talking about copyright. And I wonder, like, why can't he come and talk? And he talks about Nema posted video that he posted. There's none of my videos. And I asked him, can you point out one video that I didn't shoot? He still couldn't point out a single video. So the problem was not with Thora. The problem is Thora, I think,
used this
platform that I'm part of. And he has issues that I don't know Urukweti I mean. Or what? Because people get to have issues na mtu. Just because you are you. And then you don't like artists to be abused. But I'm happy for respected request of Thora. It shows that he's the bigger man or the remover. So let's see with Thora although Jasuza as a guy now.
Yeah.
Let's hope na the some Rosa.
Thora. Hey, look at the kana mafungo. A spirit cha baby wa Venda na mini. Oh, you know Kori. Una the protection order.
Protection order and uruko da share yawe. Don't wanna come congratulate futhi. Because he's one of the guys who are coming actually when the podcast is actually Chibora. The podcast is what Chibora. I think news could comment something. Uri you go to a improve. Just one thing. Then also podcast Chibora. Hey, if you're a true friend or a straight guy, you need to tell me what to improve. But so he's talking about Uri any other proposal. I know is good, man. Wait a little bit, man. He's one of the best. That strategizing, planning, and execution, and budgeting, and what is proposal. That's the guy. There's a guy who did my proposal some years back. I don't worry, I never submitted late because and then I'm still recently. But they are not sponsoring anyone right now.
Yeah.
So that's what happened.
Next year, let's sponsor pushing a plot through.
Yeah. Pushing a plot through. But yeah. No, but it is supposed to and yeah. But one thing is already
it's good.
Venda when it comes to the proposal.
Yeah,
one
Venda is good.
When he's good. So I don't know about Venda boy. Okono wana zuya wana. Namshi zungu zuko reseverori. Zunoza kumwaliwa. Asizo. Zipira hezo zumwaliwa. Mara ni mapungu arina rongo jenela ko. Arisu divi ngora rongo kuna dubositi. Roto wana pezi ya wangwe wachiri. I got a me.
So mapungu na kwete yai. Ri ne batuchere sivashikana batareli washiwange ndai. The idea.
Yoro Muvenda ko ita proposal mini ya pasa.
Yeah, show. Ine show ya hone ndia Venda boy. Idhe kuitura anefala tando kazingwe zazi odera falani. So rishipai butanzi ya hone oyo mumwe kwaito proposal uko nyanga
percent yawe
katinyana falani ngo rechere do pendinji but mazira hone ni akombozana kuti wabara
zvinozvo kumwaliwa
mango tokombozana
mwali wawo zo zvitukutuku mara maziro omwali wawo ane akone akombodza akusumbedzisa zori any achita proposal over budget yawe uchida kazofoda na camera na mini zosvika une azijinisa ka budget uri zviyambori ari joita budget uri the camera na music costa 20,000 ndi tshelede yawe ine ye akho tea iwana ni tshibela zwithu zwawe zwi khou sumbedza uri wavha hu nayo agreement yori zwi amba uri hei tshelede i tshi vhuya ini ndo nṱusela this much zwino u tou nga ri poet u khou dia
ngasa
anyamalala uri u khou amba u tou
ngasa
za zwino unaona dzi protection order
uzokuphi hei tshelede ndi nga i kwami
but at the end
ngasa
so arali oyu nene a ṱuwa ya vusa ruvhuruvhu haningei yavho vhona dzi case dza dzi fraud na mini a zwi nga ḓo dini hezwi zwithu
zwavhuḓi vhuḓi nazwo ndi mini vhathu vhanzhi a vha koni u protecta nḓivho yavho kana knowledge yavho kana puḽane yavho
sa nṋe ndi sina qualification
so hola munna a ya ngeini madzina oṱhe obvious o ṅwalisa madzina nnyi
a hola
mara vho a nḓana uri mini hayi mani ṅwalise sona so i ita mini
unless ya vhona dzi WhatsApp chat
ya dzi WhatsApp chat kana dzi email zwoṱhe kuti vho mafhungo manzhi ndi asana nga dzi email uri mini hu vhe na dzi proof and futhi tshiṅwe tshithu heiḽa tshelede yo waniwa ngori Venda boy kuna profile khulwane ngwana
ende i kho ḓi hula
vho dzi cheka vha sheka zori ho muthu hoyu ndi hoyu nawe ngwana kana vho dzi cheka na Filimoni vha ḓiri
Filimoni
naho Filimoni tika maziro hone a kombodza Filimoni mara tshelede dzi ngavha ni khou badela muimbi 500 rand kana 200 ya transport fhedzi
ni wane muthu a khou pfi kha bve Jozi kha bve Pitori kha bve Durban a bve hanefho ne avha hone
ndola nga rider
u ḓo fhiwa 2.5
hemuni
mara muthu wana maziro no kombodza
gate
vhathu vha wana maziro no kombodza ngori habe nasi dza dzi gigi dzo ḓala Limpopo gigi dzine dzo sponsoriwa na ṅwanga national what of the what ninji and ri khou vhona uri vhunzhi ha vhathu nomboro vho wana maziro no kombodza
maziro hone ngori
ngori ndi tshi vhala vhanna vha swika vho ma 12 vho wana maziro
Limpopo lote
ya ri ro Limpopo tshizno ya Limpopo
mwezo hei ya December iko ḓo sponsoriwa nga maziro wala
na ndi maziro mara vhathu vha tou bvisa na dzi poster vhunzhi havho
vho Filimoni Masinga ndi vhatambi vhahulwane ndi vhatambi dende
so yeah beside vho Filimoni there's another gig which I'm really happy about. I wish I could hear problem distance join first vamwe vha ndi Pulukwane
yeah
John First if he hip hop in the park ikhitwa nga muṅwe wa dzi khosi dza Limpopo dza hip hop
Kings of Limpopo
DJ Chocos na dziṅwe dza dzi khosi dza hip hop dza Limpopo a ri ngori dza Venda a ri ngori dza Giyani a ri ngori dza
the Kings na bana the Kings na bana and the Kings na bana
so we have spaceman and ndo do vha hone those other guys but
it's a big show it's a big event
yeah because dobarao they'll be there so arali tshikakona nga swika June 1st I keep sharing the status zwa hone kana dzi poster dza hone you can make it there. It's one of the biggest hip hop show Limpopo so I'm looking forward for next year or next until infinity or this show will grow yaba khulwane nga maanḓa
and also next year sometime anefa ro ḓo ita workshop ya vhaimbi
Venda
vhashu vhana niḓe ngori ndo guda zwinzhi workshop ya muzika Venda nga maanḓa muzika wa hip hop ḓo ita workshop
we'll call the guys that they have knowledge zwavhuḓi ri thoma nga vhahayani before tshi vhidza vhannḓa uri ri kone u understand uri arali havha vhaḓivhi vha muzika wa hayani vha khou berelwa gai u khou itea mini so yeah there's a couple of things that's going to happen
khamusi ane ri ḓo wana dzi milioni dzo kombodza maṱoya maziro khamusi ari na sponsor tshi khou ri pfa a tshi ri kombodze a tshi ri kombodze nane ri kombodzane ri vhone ri khou ṱangana mini
season 2 of the Street Talk podcast. We're looking forward to
season 2,
bigger than what it
is
now.
See you man.
No found out in Rick Ross.
Sponsors, more sponsors to come as well next year. Yeah, boy. And hey guys, yeah. So, but what is so Muvenda ukubona Venda boy kana ukutoda zure zwawo uri nene kha share yawe mashini no sponsor wawo uri usika nene yabo akona uri mini uri wo promise mi abana uri Black Friday udulo bari pa afana card no Black Friday ya tutela thundu nduni
omudi komeche dziori asokoto dzura asokore suri
banna basho
ngori kolla pass
banna basho
ala mashiri
adawa valid wanga practitioner order ngange
niko bona
hoya sendera tsini
industry ya Venda lituku mara ina rwambo nokuna ntumbu apa chiri SABC ruri ngondowelesa
what do you mean
uri pamudowelesa ngori kodowelesa rwaps
ufuna obo ukolwa Hendrik Makuya achiri SABC ngondowelesa ngori rwams in the scheme kamusi
yeah so as you know marunanda velani barini
RAVHEKA
RAVHEKA
RAVHEKA vatima
RAVHEKA vatu vatarara thula bagirima ngarubiro bule
RAVHEKA kunyengwa chiva mini
I think it's about being she wanna be an influencer and the more numbers she gain and she will feel or now people will depend, like there will people that will advertise through her, she will make money and stuff. I don't know. Come on. So I don't know exactly the way I observed the whole situation in those other girls, meaning people are hungry for fame, but they are not ready for fame. You need to understand the two things. People are hungry for fame, but they are not ready for fame.
So there's fame and there's reality.
Thank you. Because if you're gonna be famous and you can't maintain your fame or protect your fame or sustain it, what happens next? People don't look at when there's one story, there's already Rams this and this and this. Because I'm seeing what you mushroom. Come on, guys. I don't know, maybe
I call that mushroom.
Mushroom is a Leo. So, I need die mushroom. Into la mushroom. Come on. And then it rise out the. So, I don't declare a woman and bone again. I saw so good one.
So, Mbusi Yangake, Nikwamba Mapungwa are fame. How do you think about fame and reality?
Yeah.
So, reality in the ori. Oyo musizana. Uko diforsa relationship ine. Tonga ayiho.
Right now, what I can
reality.
Uko, now I'm gonna put like this. Right now, we're famous.
Yes.
For embarrassing rams, ne? To come for destroying or damage rams, for embarrassing rams. And the Komona Uko Chimbiroko Lee was a restaurant in a mini hotel. Mara, what do you get after that? That's the reality now.
Story shall manage to go far. Not for you go far any.
Story to check. Ndila zozo mjaivoni kana yanepo naone nadona bazara na skimana na wana jaiva wana mimi for one. But things sometimes things doesn't work out. Ndiro shakamba sunga madzina one. Channel ya wana ngabana. So
that's we ne dhuva.
Kana ziye madhuva pirao
kana dhuva mangana.
Arali vatu vakunochira vapedza vege kana madhuva mararu vavothe na mini. Akorwiwa kukombechidzwa kuita mini. But nichivodza vatuni navane kungotojensera muthu mato because nikofila uri have a score to settle. Ukofila uri it's either ngoriza zvino rams maybe mukata off kana vachachilisa ena akatodza uri ave kaila life na now
from Deepo.
Zembori.
Wadzinando. Miliro ya dzinando. Nofa miliro ya dzinando. Ogera mabakoni.
Chorona ngadzembe
Zopaterera.
urata mudoba.
Ola polishi mwana.
Ene. Mupara msango weta. Nundanga rera msumudi kura amura arwachigando. Now there's a score to settle, and a friend of mine, and I'm not supporting what he's doing. I know that inheritance the beef that Martinez given, but Ali Warala, I feel like Ukojena Mafungori, maybe una choose our Ramsey or whatever. At the even though do this because nothing I don't get involved because the stories are. Come on. I've known him for a while.
Zibura career, I mean, reputation ya mumu nedastu.
One thing came, man in the woods. Zino, Bunjia, what and Arana Kufonga comes was Zanava Doshava Rams.
But give me that.
There's no give me running a car. Yeah, there wasn't going. You kept it. What was a common and go was Zingoa. Ah, you kept it going. Go on offer a left to the Range Rover. Cannot give Rao of Palanta. Oh, was not getting me running game.
Maramako guy, look of which you or the nephew manager or Makoya. Who knows go back on board him without the Murals? Ah, Makoya comes out of the as a colon. Can I school? Because if I don't speak of the exam comes, I'm an exam grade 7. I won't get. No, I can't say. You never know. I don't think you understand what I mean. Come on. So, one thing, Giori. This thing is already going to blow up. Yeah. By next, Zazino, actually impact. It's already blow up. You mean it's going to fade away? It's gonna blow up the sky and fade. Yanga cool. Now it's no longer entertaining. We're no longer enjoying exactly what's happening. So I recall Ruambo Rua Staratani. Ready Roms 1, RAVHEKA 0. Now Romo 2000. Yeah. The Vesas. So, Rivuna Scotch now we go settle na Rams. I've known Rivu longer than Rams. For what? So, but when I look at it, we all know agenda Rivu. We all know agenda Rivu. But all I want is right now. And I never it's all about when it fades and disappears. Take a look. People gonna label them names. Hold on. Go on. Yeah, Udobana is number Udobana is number of social media. But number of Zawe are they going up on Twitter or Instagram? Or Facebook? The Facebook people don't really advertise on Facebook. I don't know the laws of influence. But push the Twitter and the Instagram if you want big numbers and then you want to get paid. Facebook, it's no longer like Mutudani Badera Chadinji. Unless you comes, Guru at Madazori. One thing you know was none of those Yamangari. They were smart. Bazuzi is way too smart. He plans and what those are the next landing will determine. Yeah. Come on. Let's feel like a talk of theory. I just post a comment about Vararo. Let's figure out after. But did you see now? Before people are back. Before he story chant RAVHEKA, people are already back on his page. Yes. Not gonna comment and I mean. And the funny enough case, we don't people are being under why you're no comment when it comes to the advert and I mean. The insights. Yeah, the views and I mean. But we're gonna post the SABC review so much you commenter. Insights has big numbers. Yes. Zine the advertive. He uses those numbers. Nikolo Richa I've reached this much.
2 million people
Yes.
nga post unti mara ana comment. So comment doesn't really mean uri but vakobona sizvavo vanga comment kanya vatu naona na comment the 3000 mara numbers dzanu naona uri ziguno kana vatu va 3000 vovona post va comment havana muthu ana commenteliwi but he's reaching 2-3 million. Simple as that. So neka chitori chino cha RAVHEKA what I see ndiori vana varuwa nga ndira dzofamba nawo and chimwe chifhinga nditodza udhuma nga ndira dzofamba nawo ndikamba zori vana varuwa nga ndira dzofamba nawo ri vakastage nga ndira dzofambana nawo. So RAVHEKA ukofila runa score to settle and osetla score chawe, but what is the next move from here uri asustain the fame before it fades? Vari na godi G what?
GT.
Kaka godi G last year.
Mafungo ampuna uvula
hangofuka.
Otomwana na godi GT ita mafungo.
Hangofuka.
Weko lofanga mpuna lima otomozita.
Hey, marade RAVHEKA.
RAVHEKA. Kola primly. Kola zwawo.
Najua nje ko trend chari.
Ha! Iga video don't
Video
senderi wana sendera video. Video nayo na mari. Ndibona ngamra.
Do I have the video?
Something.
I think I should have the video. I saw the clip.
Karo manera sendera.
I saw the clip on Twitter. And I spoke to her.
Hey.
Come on. And I did tell what I said was this thing is gonna pass. And he's still gonna do numbers. People are still gonna, because it's what you want to do. Come on.
Mara, why are you saying it's going to pass? Because
I said it's going to pass the Kambore when it happened. Remember, she's confidence unayo. But that confidence, you know, I don't mean
interview.
Calling fake. She still needs to reach that level. So the Chikamboros Dopira was saying, it will trend. It will
foot.
Yeah, it will this is media. So it's gonna trend. Trend of those it becomes static.
Yeah.
What is static, ne? People will just wanna enjoy from that point. Wow, move on. And they will follow. But they won't be telling, it won't be on Facebook.
Secretly.
They will be just sharing because let's be honest.
Bolo hub.
No to Domboreno Erenga Abu Apo Pick and Pay. Mara Atrofi. Ukwamba madzina watu wanolima mahabu.
So shout out to everyone who's trying to make
shout out
the money, the ching.
Shout out to Premly and the crew, whatever they're doing.
So RAVHEKA so we're already on a business here. Or
she can become a blogger. She can do YouTube. What? Zoto trend pages on Facebook.
All this SABC. And go the content.
Riwu is making numbers.
Yeah.
The guy is smart.
Ngamandesa.
Riwu, I don't know what you're doing.
I'm gonna
what jumper sakuto. Yeah. But that nigga is smart like a rat.
Bebe
Jenisa do no but I'm not one of my first resort. Just do your mathematics. That guy is so smart that he find a way where there's no way. When people believe your child, that nigga finds a way. So that guy is more in the Kuto na Kubeva. Combine. Ube.
It doesn't make his head big though.
Yeah.
Small head.
Big up to Mazuzu.
Ndika. Ndika no FIFA World Cup. Nabona chiro kuna zihabli vatu rangani zihabli dzandika kana nizi order ne yapo ndabadziwa
una business as zihabli. Guys, make sure that you check it out and support for the habli zawe. Arani ngangesa diangovera bopindura boPPV bo guy bo sibasa na Skuluve. I don't know if the name is still used, but I used to know him as DJ Skuluve. He was one of the best singers on Rao, Ramsey. So now it's one of the guys that well, this Mr. Skuluve. Now he got this dope habli. So you can buy the shape. It's
supply and collection and supply.
Shape it's in there. Yo, those are the two guys right now. Ara December the habli. You contact and Chikandisi or ring a contact Hangi Skuluve. One of the legendary DJs. But when I go push at the habli.
Niko legendary DJs. DJ somebody.
To be honest, I don't know DJ somebody personally. You just bump into him and big up to the man, you killed the set. And sure, you passed. But I didn't really like
you don't know his upbringing.
Yeah, like Nandi, no, I've been, it's been hectic. There's a couple of things projects that I'm busy with. So I didn't really have a lot to spend and trying to dig, and I know him. There's already me, and I know whatever I know. Come on. But what hurts in Zori, man, that was bad, man. When I saw the pictures and some video clips, dude, like it really broke my heart.
DJ somebody.
It's like the guy, like even yesterday, there's another one I saw. It was bad, man.
Yeah, like DJ somebody over too, and he was in businessman, and he was a taxi boss. Actually, the club. DJ somebody, man, rest in peace. There's a video we did. Yes, DJ somebody. On this channel. Go watch out that video.
Oh man, it's scary. Marai, we don't know anything. Things happen.
How many musicians we have lost this year, man? Important musicians.
Things happen, man. It's the same like what MAKHADZI with Illuminati. Like those people that say those things are people that are wishing bad for her. That's how I feel. Or if you're gonna say, hey, or join a mini, this is gonna happen. Like you know what's gonna happen because you were there. There was an agreement with you for those things to happen. If you look at that picture from MAKHADZI, that's not even a snake. That's just a design because the stick of a queen cannot just go plain. It has gold, different kinds of diamonds and gold that have been stick to it. Even though it's not pure gold, but those are just gold and diamonds. So it's a decoration on the stick. On the top, then it's in Africa. That shows that
Africa
is the best artist in Africa. She's the queen. Even though she's not MAKHADZI, I want to say something. MAKHADZI, when they say she's a queen, she might not be big in other countries in Africa, but you take an artist that is so big in Africa, maybe she sounds bigger than MAKHADZI, maybe, and you put them both on stage. That artist, you find that she only have one song or two songs that the whole Africa knows. But when MAKHADZI stands on the stage and performs, people only have to know the songs, but the energy, the presence she brings on stage she command and everybody celebrates what she's doing on stage. You don't have to know the song. So that's MAKHADZI for you. That's why she's a
Go
queen.
watch out our video that we did, the overall review. We are African Queen 2.0. Yeah, MAKHADZI. For fast. Go watch it. Then
Check
you will
it.
see how much we have rated the album yeah, MAKHADZI and stuff.
MAKHADZI, she's good, man. And I guess feel Uri, there's one tick box maybe that she missed in this album because the marketing was not done up to par.
Yeah.
That's the box that was not done. We don't have a standout single on the album. Or what? So that's the reason you find Uri. Maybe the album is not bringing that impact that it's supposed to bring.
I remember I once asked you this question, Ori. What do you feel? How do you feel? Or what? How do you nifila hani numbulisa hani nga MAKHADZI mumbro ka business side ya music?
Business side, MAKHADZI needs family. I think she needs to take about 2, 3, 4 people in her family right now.
Family yawe kana ngwamba but whenever around here.
But whenever around here, whenever trust her enough, or whenever baka family yawe. If they don't know a lot about music, it's time where she has to get those people to learn and understand the music business. Because the next 3, 4 albums, we have a new generation that is coming.
People are coming.
With a new sound, with a new everything. People that she needs to go and perform for. They are close to retirement. Some of them, they will just love your music, but they won't even have to go out. Some won't even spend time online because they have other stuff. The next 3, 4 albums, she needs to kill it like it's the first day she gets on stage. The next 4 albums, I would say,
they're crucial.
It's her retirement.
It's
her pension.
The pension.
It's not 5, it's 4.
The pension,
yeah. Pension.
And I don't check it. She only have 5 years of doing music.
Because
kind of 3 years, kind of 4 years.
She's growing. She needs to, maybe she might decide to start a family. She might spend a year, maybe offline. Baba. The moment you go offline, unless you are Kalawa Chiquita. Busiso. Who can pay? Hey, that girl, December she was performing. To me, Inga. She was pregnant, like.
She was doing the thing.
Alright. And then she was doing the show and stuff. But most women, when they go on leave, come musica. When they come back, they still make it, but the impact is no longer that big. So the next 4 or 5 albums, if MAKHADZI aba oruko baka ye company, aba independent mara affiliate nayo, they continue to have a relationship, but now she's in control and she owns her masters. Because when we talk about artist that has to own the masters, we're talking about MAKHADZI. MAKHADZI has to own. Whatever comes, MAKHADZI now needs to own it.
That's why I come back business side of music.
So MAKHADZI business side, she still has a lot to learn. MAKHADZI is an entertainer. You need to tell something. She is an entertainer. And then she needs the backbone that will take care of her finances and stuff and the business side of things. Look at this. I'm going to take you back. What hurts me the most, Miri, Matarokis was supposed to be on adverts. Kokobo was supposed to be on adverts. And a lot of other songs, the MAKHADZI, were supposed to be on TV adverts. But
the team didn't do that.
What's really going on? I don't want to get into
a strong team.
It's not.
They're only focusing on that moment.
So one thing I'm saying, Zori, MAKHADZI just need a team in the hand. Because I look at Muvenda. Muvenda was supposed to be big. But remember I used to tell you about Remember I used to tell you about MAKHADZI supposed to have archers, I've told you for many years about that. And now I look at it really. Muvenda was supposed to be way too big.
True.
You were supposed to Ningorenga mafura MAKHADZI miskene vari mafura MAKHADZI ndi
ufuna vo clicks
guy ngabona theory za album zino kela album ara ningorenga mafura nga afani kuna dzi packaged special zine kamsi yo oral mafura fee okay narenga mafura a randa akongonya aita 200 nicharenga mafura chisikana nga phone yamu automatically itosikana ni one album ya MAKHADZI ejina phone ya but you spend 200 that money goes to
ndoti ngorenga album na basa mafura.
Thank you. What ya comes rina okay take ndo ivone la mara what ya rina something bana watukwaba what ya una mipopi ya MAKHADZI
ngona itofi MAKHADZI
rotarina una suzhinji zvine I wish
but I feel like sorry nkata pala I think like MAKHADZI and Obaiza would name a hey album fee African Queen unori but African Queen ya Mrawe. I feel like they enjoyed it. So I thought that kaya 2.0 but we expect her even high.
And then
she was being experimental.
She was static.
Ako experiment.
Hey, you know I'm always letting you word every week. What did you call it? She was static. She was udonga damu nanando lipo sokora.
Damu ndo vya chimbiri.
No. Nasa vurangi panda. Kana imana sidala madera sina shikepe. Ndo vuna kusokora.
Ai fetu.
Munongare hako chimbiri. Azembo riko mean static meaning. Mimi ndo zimesa zumwe mara hala madi mona achinga achimbiri osokwe mako skoro dzingine.
Anga static.
Yeah, marai. Ngange akuwa. Marai akusokora.
Ufuna oita momentum up. Momentum before is called to momentum
no, after. It was not her. The company was supposed to do that. MAKHADZI had to the marketing will cost a lot. Offer one music video a penny na MAKHADZI.
Oh, vamos a tuva. Mara rambo do filme. Kabenga MAKHADZI. Ako nto danga fantai. Ikuta ngo na pitbull zini. Hey.
Chada ngaza
ngawa pitbull mbili zino. Quando dava the pitbull zio.
I'm talking about
Padongwana.
I heard of the lady all was the pitbull and whatever she was saying or what she was.
Tell me for a story
go check it out. So go for Fariwa. But she's old. I don't think she will even get anything tighter. She was born back then as fingers were meaning. So she has experienced both Ketulan and freedom, what.
But what's your take on the pitbull? Pitbull.
Okay, let me tell. My take is, was it Thursday or Wednesday? I was hanging out with one in the street.
I need
I don't know. The guy just came with it.
Okay.
And we were chilling and Nepal, Florence. Okay, this one is already controlling the height.
Heighting, moment.
I'm taller than that guy. And the command I was giving the dog was listening and the dog was on the leash.
Oh, I feel fupi.
Not that. Based on my own research background, is already as long as she create what? All these never sports and a sport which to take her down the boost. One is koromezi. Let's if makuru many no koromezi chinga but strong body chine chembe na ndabo. It's come to devour to full package. kana dzimwe dzi dza normal ndikori
iningorela ntu
elango dzo create
as normal ndikombore as breed ya normal recreatewa.
That was a created breed.
Oh, Asia
It was the dog that was.
Oh, Asia normal.
It was not just as Uryoba how to crossbreed you are, and then
because breed isn't.
And it was about bull sport. That's what we say. One of the those bulls. It was a sport to take them down. So that's a that
was a big bull.
Yeah. Look at a golf fight. That car is roundish and is down in the ground. That's how the put bull is. If you look at it. And then it locks the legs because it's closer to the ground. That's why it's even hard during because that thing fights on the ground. So it's what
the ground.
Yeah, bull. So anything of a short height, that dog feels threatened. That's why mostly check out one of school but one unless we jump on something never one and we mara mostly you wanna buy because bana ba rasa ba screamer mina so chaka it starts to defend itself.
The pit bull.
So what my take theory, I don't think we now have people that Bashab to take care of those dogs. That's not the case in Gafa back in the days. Now the case in Jinji every day. I don't
dangerous.
I don't think na watu wanawa they are prepared. Mara
alone wati ikuvusa video ikuri ulenga rupanga. Muna over people kuchimbira na
badakari lezo ndonozibona zani bakole dianga
urongwasiwa.
Yeah, yorumo nani. Yoruma mwana ndizomurayi yoruma mwana
alabere ngeburaye
ala majita diet and zinozo abantu nezo ndimini helangwa ibe ko jori ko defender mini family kade ko defender
mara
master ti
master
no mtu ani abori everything is about
master
everything for master
yes master Jackie Chan, you move Jackie Chan.
Don't you post don't you wait on the car? Don't you post on yes, master.
Keep on the and only the master Zam. Master. Thora, don't you report master.
So yeah, the issue in your Elangwa is more about protecting master. What is the properties, whatever the master owns. So it gets threatened easily. And I don't think we have people are ready to, like, we no longer have people. Archina watu whenever Archina ene tushugala ngo arani na mbiru neto yarichiri ga na ima. Ya kono mona na nyeso ko iko mona na niko.
Look at
why did you say good amini sisa ko mbisa sisa ko
abe ngwana shawe yule ichini room na imai na kana kale ngwana imadi
sorry mgana wangati I didn't mean to run but I had no choice.
Don't run Murife, don't run
that was what I'm gonna hey I'm sorry my friend ela ngola muna ajamuruma emuruma wala muna ko garumiro
ni gani Venda
rakadwa vidarwa tuko nema
kule nyana
garumiro
adavi ni molori
ndasa takwa zinu ho munendo farra ndakoja era no ziyangora kukhumbuza arabi nena ndumiza ngamuna hayi ndino sukana nende na baka distance because Indian champion here 100 meters this time but last time in the yori chiko mondume ele kona chiri mlenje yero ni bura kuruko
doesn't mean mar doesn't mean These are normal.
When I vary frustrated is a problem. Mara, it's not. So what is your E? You don't have root. But I'm way, but I'm far like that. The next time. Don't run. Yeah, dear Eddie. I'm not going to get up. But I'm the radar. And you know you run faster than me.
Because I can best not a beast. How queen.
Try the grow with Chimachi. Bobby. Hey Mario. Yeah, Robbie, good meza kana good meza mina. Yambudi Mara because so mangazo. Ndo bloga video.
Not talk with you meaning or not.
I don't know wrong freestyle it. Come on, this furniture.
Not to be a rapper. Oh, I bet some more rapper bara.
Not how me be rapper bara. And it was already a freestyle ya kwaga. Mwarazo rappers on it. Ya diwa une sorry za so to there only.
What ya party? Vi party.
Kana za Venda again.
Ni party.
Ni mure dane kandi.
Shendi bagandi gay.
Ni party. Sorry za Venda on. Amla betu ndiye no travel. Zo rappers on it.
Kutu ya party.
Sorry nenge. Ha. No repara bishi.
Asa korwa.
Asa korwa. No repa. Ngumla mizo chiri. Abroad. Bodro.
Aba blind mizo pala.
I'm better than not.
Rishi abroad.
For the past 48 or 72 hours, I don't know how many hours. I've realized Uri. What you want one Vani pangani provoke and tarera. In the name you're
Nivarwan.
And there's nothing you
have
to
to do.
I know the And in the past 6 hours, somebody came and did the same. And I chose I'm the one rushing dog. I was going to come with a juice. And I sit down and sorry. Who don't run about to run evane. I don't kind of which much taratani. Badan Girani Gaigai. I don't know when you call that and I'm moving and the Aran is one running over the Yotina. No, you make up the one there are some embedding again going with them. Palam Gironi or Shadows am raw.
Is your name?
I don't know. Mutino is going to use Samara. No, Vrandi, or any gentleman dinim Gironi. No,
Verandira.
No, Verandira. So, what was you going to run about one Let us intentionally, in the name you're enough in Duran. There's actually there's nothing near. The Donny in our E. On the phone now. Nichiringongo, men gay.
Can I garbage hand?
Gale.
Oh, you want a chapa.
Tell him GM Duruan.
Yeah, chapa.
Okay. Another man, nota. Namusa Kaula, and our configuration a corner act. You want to go around. Now I'm not Begua. I catch in China. Maybe the one about
Tell him is any channel where YouTube.
The channel was big long before he posted a single video.
Oh, yeah.
Because the time I active catch it up. I actually thought what you actually posted whatever subscribe. So a lot of people went and subscribe. Like he predicted one day he's gonna get blocked. And actually block what you mean. Would depend like YouTube.
What a meaning I mean Lamin. Alright. Lamini Ogo Voda
mean Lamin over Buchara.
Ogo Saisa Nama.
Ogo Saisa Nama.
What a corner one at the gigi
not the position I mean. Marago. Nam Sarah means Lamina or Saisa Nama. Bucharani. Lam Tadini Mutuman. Gale.
What's it looks like?
So much more is one of my get. I didn't move to one and I want to shoot Juraza. Sorry, me one.
Rona crash. Rogena KFC Rona crash up.
I did a crash in the KFC. Go to Bobormin. I didn't move.
Hey, the page of Vara, the one who posted about the video, the Sarafi name. Dear goes a raffinate and go post about Uno kutuja mdrapina arwa madansi.
Ajaiva
Ife Jalavina.
Ari akhonguta.
Jalavina.
Mbona thaw abuya zwavhuḓi ari.
Jalavina.
No bona party.
Holy come to no.
Ngizazwana. Ikwento kanonge ubona yoke we. Sarafina no mona. Namina ngendo ngalo.
The thought. The rats here.
I was like, so this is I didn't even know people duplicate Sarafina in other countries.
Sarafina is big.
One thing about Sarafina, Gizori, it reminds you.
Yeah.
What was?
I think every country went through that. So
Yeah.
shout out to Kenya with Sarafina.
With their Sarafina,
We see.
Mara the breakdancing, shooting, and that guy ne, Thora Shiwa, Aska Aima, Are, man, actually, Akuba Maramar. I'm like, so that guy operates Gidi.
Chatuma Shaimanya.
But I'm slow. We're putting 7 seconds. How did you?
Udanga baranyi unamuno fibobo akwemba edari mura Sarafina. Kenani bala to bila mobile. Peter is coming to me. Kenani bala to bila mobile. Dum dum dum. Kenani Before we close, Big Nazio Visa,
Big Nazio Dropper, Ntumbu, Uko Ataka SABC Rivu,
yeah,
based on defending Rams,
uh-huh.
Bangara Ntumbu Tumani Utamba, before Ataka SABC Rivu,
Yeah,
because otherwise, Nurukisera video on Facebook.
the coffee on a
coffee offer 1 hour position. Unawata varende nepotism. Vachibusa vari ezo zvinona nche zvipazani na wana ava vane varada zvipaza mashangote kezvinitsa vakusura vatona kuringisa vavaka kana ava ngozichaka vachiita zvitu wanisa kudzisi
Zex 1 tonga uri hai.
What is best to quit when
Yeah.
you're hot?
Utsino richa Zex 1 yeah.
Maroda richa.
Ndabona msadzo oda ka megjia falani.
Hey, I'm still gonna watch the full video.
Nana didi wa
I watch the
mara.
clip, ne? And on that clip, that girl is raw as it goes.
Ne?
That girl is so. She's
Gangster.
not fake, man.
Gangster.
She's a pantula.
Yeah.
Now, the problem is when you meet a girl that already planned her life. Life is the one so.
Nijibo dai ni uwe oni chinchi so
The way,
Yeah.
But if you're meeting someone and Hana, all those things is what that mean. So they were like, there's no kind of tomboyish kind of. So they were that girl like, and you look at it like, damn. So that girl is wrong as it goes. You're wrong. Hey, don't wanna. Let's talk about Ojiro ngechakisi dzane chino.
Chipi.
Ndachangwa dzina. Ando hangu anono ndizozo ndozoma.
Guys, December kuswika. Na podcast yataishawera December.
Season 2 is coming.
Season 2 is coming. Next year season 2 the Mara. This is not our last one for this year.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We're still going to.
We're going to drop
that. What is one of the coldest drinks?
Yeah.
It'll go.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go there.
Yeah. For our last episode of the year.
Episode, we're gonna have people chilling with us.
Yeah.
Maybe we might ask some questions. They might be talking stuff.
Yes. Riverine style.
And then when we open, we're just gonna go cordless.
We do this.
The name here.
Yebo.
Let me tell you, I got no beef with anyone. Whoever has a beef, I don't know about it.
Whoever is threatening us, we have no beef with you.